In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive on Windows 11. If you've been using Windows 11, you probably know that OneDrive comes pre-installed, and while it offers convenient cloud storage, it's not for everyone. Whether you're looking to free up space, reduce system clutter, or just prefer alternative services, removing OneDrive is a straightforward process that we'll walk through today. First things first, let's make sure you've backed up any important files stored in your OneDrive folder. Deleting OneDrive will not only remove the application but may also cause issues with file access if important documents are saved solely in the cloud. Once you're confident everything you need is saved elsewhere, we can begin. To start, head to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, typically where your open apps appear. Look for the blue cloud icon. This is OneDrive. Right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up, and at the very bottom you'll find an option labeled Settings. Click it to open the OneDrive Settings window. In this window, switch over to the Account tab. Here you'll see an option called Unlink this PC. By clicking this, you're essentially disconnecting your computer from the OneDrive service. Confirm any prompts that appear to sever this connection reliably. Next, we'll stop OneDrive from launching automatically every time you turn on your computer. Go to the Startup tab in your Task Manager, which you can access by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together. In the Startup tab, find OneDrive on the list, click to select it, then at the bottom right, click Disable. This change will prevent OneDrive from starting up with Windows 11 in the future. Now that we've unlinked your account and disabled the startup functionality, let's move on to uninstalling the program. To do this, you need to open your settings. Click the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen, and then select Settings. In the window that appears, find Apps on the left sidebar and click it. From here, select Installed Apps or just Apps Features. Both will take you to a list of all installed applications on your PC. Scroll through and find Microsoft OneDrive. Click the three vertical dots next to it, and then select Uninstall. A confirmation box will pop up to ensure you want to remove OneDrive, where you'll need to click Uninstall again. Let the system do its work. It will take a few moments to fully remove the application from your device. After OneDrive is successfully uninstalled, check your File Explorer to confirm that it is no longer in the sidebar, which means it has been removed completely. With these simple steps, OneDrive should no longer be a part of your Windows 11 environment, leaving your system just a bit more custom-tailored to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy guides.